Hello students, I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. In this video, we will read about Pai Kanaiyaji, who was the founder of Sevapanthi sect and was born in 1648 at village Sadhoda in Sialkot district. Now it is in Pakistan. His father was a wealthy trader, but when he was very still young age, he roamed about with sadhus in search of spiritual peace. He always kept coins in his pocket so that he could give them to anyone whom he saw in an unfortunate position. The locals were astonished at the compassion and thoughtful nature of someone so young. As he grew a little older, they began to help the poor and needy in other ways. Whenever he saw a poor or an old person carrying a heavy load, he would offer to carry the weight for them for a few miles. When Paisal's father passed away, he took over the family business. His quest ended when he met Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji at Anandpur Sahib. Here, Pai Sahib stayed for a long time and continued to serve the Sangat. He also looked after Guruji's horses at stable. In 1705, Pai Ji visited Anandpur Sahib when Anandpur under attack by the Mughals and hill chiefs. Here, Pai Kanaiyaji took upon the task of quenching the thirst of the wounded soldiers in battlefield, not only of Sikhs but Turks and Mughals also. The Sikhs complained that while they were trying to defeat the enemies, Pai Kanaiya nurtured them back to life by providing water to them. Guruji asked Pai Kanaiya about it. Then Pai Kanaiya ji replied that Maharaj, I see no Mughal or Sikhs in the battlefield. I see only human beings. They all have the same God spirit. Guruji, you taught us to treat all God's people as the same. Our Sikh heroes destroy enemies by killing them, but I destroy enmity by giving them water. Guruji very pleased with the reply. Guruji also gave Pai Kanaiya ji medical balm and said, from now on you should also put this balm on the wounds of all who need it. So, in this way, Pai Kanaiya ji served the humanity. Before leaving this world, he established a dharamshala at Kaba village, which provided water, food, and shelter those who are not fortunate enough. He started a trade of rope making so he could use the income to run the dharamshala without relying on the donation from others. So, his special mission was selfless service of humanity with no distinction of nationality, religion, caste, or creed. So, we should also follow the path of Pai Kanaiya ji in our real life, not by saying but by adopting. नाको बैरी नाही बेगाना सगल संग हमको बने आई सगल संग हमको बने आई. Now let us start question answer of this chapter related to Pai Kanaiya ji. First question is, when and where was Pai Kanaiya ji born? Answer, Pai Kanaiya ji was born on 1648 at village Dhoda in Sialkot district, now in Pakistan? Second, which sect was founded by Bhai Kanhaiya Ji? Answer, Seva Panthi sect was founded by Bhai Kanhaiya Ji. Third, how did Bhai Kanhaiya Ji help the poor and the needy? Answer, whenever he saw a poor or an old person carrying a heavy load, he would offer to carry the weight for them for a few miles. Fourth, how did Bhai Kanhaiya Ji serve in the battlefield of Anandpur Sahib? Answer, Bhai Kanhaiya Ji took upon the task of quenching the thirst of the wounded soldiers in the battlefield at Anandpur Sahib. 5. What complaint did the Sikhs make to Guru Gobind Singh Ji against Bhai Kanhaiya Ji? Answer, the Sikhs complained that while they were trying to defeat the enemies, Bhai Kanhaiya nurtured them back to life by providing water to them. 6. The last one. How did Bhai Kanhaiya Ji defend himself? Bhai Kanhaiya Ji defend himself by saying that Maharaj, I see no Mughal or Sikhs in the battlefield. I see only human beings. They all have the same God spirit. Our Sikh heroes destroy enemies by killing them, but I destroy enmity by giving them water. So students, these were the question answers. Write these all question answers on your fair notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.